Tornado warning for Southeast Canadian County now. I'm going to say that again. Tornado warning for Southeast Canadian County now.
Since it's coming out of Grady into Canadian, Southeast Canadian County, the tornado warning has now been issued for you. Mustang area. Let's go back to Kevin Joseph.
And also Grady County. I forgot Grady.
The tornado right there. It's just on over the highway on the south side of the highway, but right now it is not.
Tornado warning for southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma, northeastern Grady County and central Oklahoma, until 6
Oh yeah, it produced a pretty large wedge tornado.
p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado.
It's gone now. It's lifted now. Lifted now.
Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those following on shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. Most impact includes southwestern Oklahoma.
So it may try to drop down again. It is possible because we'll go now regenerating.
Yeah, move to a storm shelter. Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Could produce another tornado as it moves into the metro. So it doesn't, but
right here on the very tail end of the hook is now trying to come back around again. A mile and a quarter west of downtown Tuttle.
Double header.
Has been extended for southeast Canadian for you folks in Mustang. Velocities are picking up here at a mile and a quarter, actually a mile now, west of downtown Tuttle. Let's go back to Kevin.
I see what just got issued. I knew the tornado warning was coming.
National winds a mile to west of downtown Tuttle right now.
Now the flash flood warning.
County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight
Payne County, Stillwater, and Logan County, Guthrie.
Doppler radar indicating a thunderstorm producing heavy rain from Mulhall to Guthrie. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Guthrie, Livingston, Crescent, Cashman, Coyle, Cedar Valley, Marshall, Mulhall, Cimarron City, Orlando, Meridian, Level, Lake Crow, Blackwell, Stevens, and Seward. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your
Lord, you folks do not need more flooding.
During flood roads, most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Up to Mustang. And we will see if it regenerates right now.
Let me see if they send an Oklahoma County letter.